So here's how to fix the application failed to start because side-by-side configuration is incorrect. So first you want to make sure that you have the latest updates installed. So you want to click on settings, right click on start and go to settings, then go to Windows Update and make sure you download and install any pending system updates like this one, as it might be just outdated Windows that is causing the problem. Now, if you have the latest version installed, what you can do is go to the apps section and then click on installed apps. And in the search bar, you want to type C++ red next to it, or you can type red like that. And you should see Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. You can click on the latest redistributable version. So for example, I'm going to scroll all the way down and then click on this one, which is 2015 to 2022. Click on the three dots and then click modify, then confirm. Now you want to press the repair button. So this is going to repair the 64 version, and then we want to do the same for the 86 version. Click on the three dots and then click on modify and click on repair again, and then wait for both of them to repair the redistributables. So this one is done, you can close it. And the second one is done as well, so we can close this. Now, if you don't see them in your apps or installed apps list, what you can do is open your browser. And in the search bar, you want to type C++ redistributables. Search for this and then go to the first link, which is a Microsoft website link. And then you want to scroll down and click on download for the 64 version and the 86 version. So you want to download them both. And once the download is complete, you want to run the installer for both of them. So for example, you should click on the 64 to start the installation, and then it won't let me install it because I have it already. And then you should do the same for the second version. Now once you finish the installation, next you want to open the command line or terminals. So you can open cmd as admin from here, or right click on the start button and click on terminal admin, which is pretty much the same. Then we run around the following command, sfc /scan now, and then wait for the scan to complete and repair any corrupted system files. Now, once the scan is completed, you should try to run the application again to see if that solves the issue. Now, if the issue still persists, one last solution is to try to reset the PC. So you can go to settings or the start menu and type reset, or you can also open the settings. And in the search bar on the top, you should type reset and then click on reset this PC, and then click on reset PC. And this should prompt you whether you want to keep your files or remove everything and perform a fresh install of Windows again. And you should decide which one to go with. Depends on if you want to keep your files or not. And once you finish resetting your PC, that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.